Hello. It's EJ here. Since I'm going live from my Facebook page as well as two of my business pages, my YouTube channel, which is Blow the Whistle with EJLee Law, and then the EJLee Law Facebook page. I just wanted to come on here really quickly to let you guys know of some of the upcoming changes that is happening with EJLee Law. We've been doing the Referee Whistle Official DIY Trademark Course Series monthly, and it's been a live course offering since about March of last year when the pandemic started. So I've been doing that class primarily live, um, but now it's going into a video format to where you can instantly download the video and watch that at any time. And we're going to be moving to a masterclass Q&A, and that's going to be offered monthly live. So it's only going to be offered to those who have actually downloaded the video of me walking you through the trademark process with the USPTO. And then after watching that video, if you have more questions, then you can participate in the live Q&A. It's going to be the same format. It's going to be done on Zoom, and that will be easily managed under an hour based upon the questions that I get from those that participate in that video. So I'm looking forward to that. It's going to free me up to just kind of focus on answering the questions that you have, because a lot of times the live series goes a little bit longer than I would like for it to go. And even when I recorded the video series just for the instant download, it actually did go longer than an hour. But there's just only so much information that you can pack in to make sure that everyone's questions get answered, and that I feel that everyone is going to be competent enough to file their own trademark registrations. You'll still get the workbook, and you'll have access to the video primarily for life, depending upon where I'm going to be putting it. The video should be on PayHip, but they may change in the future. I'm not quite sure, but that's where it's going to be going forward. I don't think I need to make any edits to it, so it should be available by Monday. But again, yes. So the Referee Whistle Official DIY trademark series is going to an instant download. It's not going to be offered live. We are moving to where the Q&A portion is going to be on a monthly basis. And so that way I can kind of focus the questions on things that I know people are usually asking me questions about. And it's usually about specimens. Again, if you've taken the series, you know what I'm talking about, and how to present that evidence to the USPTO in the correct way. They've been very anal lately about how they want to get that information, and we've received an unprecedented number of trademark registrations because people are just at home filing anything. As of lately, we've seen trademark registrations as it relates to Britney Spears and the Free Britney movement around her conservatorship. And so people have been filing trademark registrations having no idea what they're doing. And then I've also seen the controversy over Mike B. Jordan and his trademark registration for Javert. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that has connections to Trinidad and Tobago, and the carnival scene. So, one thing that's interesting about that particular registration, and I am going to talk about this on the YouTube channel in our IP Streets segment, is that the trademark registration is actually in his business partner's name. Mike B's name is not on it at all. So because of the backlash that he received, because he is not Trinidadian, he has decided not to go forward with the trademark registration that is presently out there, or his business partner is going to be taking out of the system. Who knows? But the point of the matter is, if I'm going to say this, is if you're going to be in business with anybody, you want to make sure your name is on all of the paperwork, because if something was to go left, you really don't have a leg to stand on because it's in the other person's name. It's all good when it's all good, and it ain't all good when it's not all good. And all that to say that the paperwork will speak, where people will forget what it is that you had agreed to in the beginning. So I was a little surprised that Mike B's name was not on this paperwork. Secondly, interestingly enough, I Most of you who know me know that I met Mike B just before Black Panther came out. And being too starstruck, I didn't give him a business card, which I probably should have, because he would know better than to allow someone to file for a trademark registration where he is the face of the company, but his name is not on it anywhere. That is absolutely crazy to me. So again, I hope that moving forward, whatever name he chooses for the rum line that he launched, that it's going to at least have his name on it, because otherwise I would not have recommended moving the way he was moving. So these are some of the things that we're going to be talking about over on the YouTube channel, which again is Blow the Whistle with EJLee Law. Feel free to head over there to get really great content about the 12 technical files that I see most often in the IP game. Um, yeah, guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick update. I've been recording all day. I'm exhausted, but as you can see, I have a full face of makeup. So this was a great time to try to get on here and just kind of give you guys an update of what's happening with EJLee Law. And yeah, that's what's going on. So I will see you guys on the next broadcast. I want to see you guys on the Referee Whistle official whistleblower squad, especially on the YouTube channel, because my goal is to get that to where we are dropping content weekly with the YouTube channel, talking about all things IP, from trademark to copyright and everything else that is going on in between. So I will see you guys over there soon. Peace out.